Welcome to Borrowed Histories by 5 Senses Ikebana. My name is Nicoletta and I'm a Sogetsu Ikebana artist based in Tokyo. In this series, for each Ikebana creation, I will use borrowed vases that hold a special place in someone's heart. From antique and vintage to modern and contemporary, there is something for everyone in my videos. If you are passionate about Ikebana, or if you wish to learn exciting new ways to decorate your space with flowers, click subscribe and join me on our journey. Now on with the video. Hello everyone and welcome to Borrowed Histories. My name is Nicoletta. 皆さんこんにちは。Nicoletta です。今日もよろしくお願いいたします。For today's episode, we will use a beautiful vase that belongs to Yuko Nakamura-san. Nakamura-san has been involved with Japanese culture. She's a producer of music events that bring together amazing Japanese artists that play Japanese traditional instruments. To learn more about her events called Otowaza that are promoted in Japan and abroad, please check out the links I leave for you in the description. Being a long-time lover and promoter of Japanese culture, it comes as no wonder that she owns such a beautiful and delicate vase. This pottery vase was created by Eguchi Kasumi. Eguchi Kasumi-san created this in using the technique called washizome. You will probably see it better in these beautiful cups. The designs created with washizome are usually floral, and they are created by using washi paper. Washi is Japanese paper, Japanese traditional paper. Strips of little Japanese paper in different shapes are added to the cup or to the product, and then they are painted over several times. This way the gradation can be controlled. After the washi paper and the paint dries out, the washi paper is gently removed and the pattern will be imprinted on the ware, the pottery. As you can see, they're really pretty. We will not use the cups today. We'll use just this very delicate vase. It contains water already, but as you can see, it has a very short and slim neck, which will only allow me to use a small number of flowers, but will create a very delicate arrangement just to emphasize the beauty of this vase. So let's get started. For today's materials, I chose Freesia, and scabiosa. As you can see, we will not be able to use too many or too thick stemmed materials today. And I will also remove this tiny bud, which I will keep because we will use it later. Scabiosa is also very interesting. I will choose a shorter stem because I would like it to come very close to the base, to the neck. Now the little bud which we kept, we will add that too. And just to finish off the arrangement, I'll use some fresh greens. They're called miscanthus. Very beautiful sounding names for today's flowers. Just to give the whole arrangement an overall look of natural flow. Nevertheless, I would like them to reach water so that they can stay fresh for longer. I will just gently touch the leaves. This way I will be able to create a more natural flow. And this is it for today's arrangement. A very simple yet a very pretty and delicate arrangement to emphasize the beauty of the vase and the delicacy of good things to come. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care, stay safe, bye. Thank you for watching. If you are looking forward to seeing more arrangements, subscribe and follow the 5 Senses social media accounts. Until next time!